Mamelodi Sundowns delivered a commanding performance on Wednesday night, dismantling Chippa United 3-0 at Loftus Versfeld Stadium to tighten their grip on the DStv Premiership title and etch their name into the record books once more. Sundowns' relentless march toward an unprecedented eighth consecutive league crown continued as they extended their unbeaten home run and shattered the PSL record for most goals scored in a single season. Their 57-goal tally eclipses the previous benchmark, underscoring their dominance this campaign. The victory lifts the Tshwane Giants to 64 points with just 3 matches left to play. They now stand just 4 points away from securing a record, extending 18th South African League title and their 15th in the PSL era. Ikram Reyners opened the scoring with a clinical finish early in the first half, notching his 12th league goal of the season and igniting an intriguing Golden Boot battle with his teammate Lucas Ribeiro, who remains just 1 goal ahead. The internal competition between the two forwards adds another layer of excitement to Sundowns' dominant season. Jayden Adams doubled the lead before the break, giving Sundowns complete control of proceedings. Chippa United struggled to threaten, failing to register a single shot on target throughout the 90 minutes. In the second half, Sundowns coach Cardoso introduced Thapelo Maseko and the substitute seized the moment, netting the third goal to cap off a polished team display. While Sundowns edged toward glory, Chippa United top 8 hopes suffered a heavy blow. With just 2 matches remaining, their position in the table is increasingly precarious. The loss opens the door for chasing teams like Kaizer Chiefs, who remain mathematically in contention for a place in next season's MTN competition. Interim coach will now turn his attention to a critical clash against Marumo Gallants, a match that could define Chippa's season. Next up for Sundowns is a high-stakes showdown against Stellenbosch FC, a side determined to secure that place and return to continental football. Stellenbosch, in superb form of late, will look to test Sundowns' depth and resolve as the season nears its climax. As the finish lines approaches, every point and every goal could prove decisive, whether it's the battle for the title, a Golden Boot showdown, or the scramble for top 8 positions. The final weeks of DStv Premiership promise drama, intensity, and defining moments. Head coach Miguel Cardoso had some special praise for the players after setting a new record in the Premiership. Cardoso was speaking on the SuperSport TV and said, "Yeah, solid. One, we need to be very solid. And we need to be a full team in the sense of the full moments of the game. I told them if we attack good, we defend good. If we defend good, we also attack good. I think the team is very comfort in managing the full moments of the game. That's how the team has been growing. I don't like to suffer goals. Sometimes it happens, but we should do everything we can so that we can avoid that. Congrats to the boys. A very tough moment because of a lot of matches to play, but we are excited. We are happy. We are profiting from the moment of the top of the log, but most all, we are anxious for the next one, and finish the championship as big as possible." Big respect for the opponents. They trained very hard. We saw a very honest team inside the pitch with very quality, but we need to have the respect for us also so that we can be on our limit every match, and a big congratulations to the boys. The victory over the Chile boys also saw the Brazilians set a new log record with most goals in the single season with 57 goals. And so today we spoke about brotherhood and we spoke a lot about what's written in our shirts. What is Ubuntu indeed, and those values we have in the locker room are the ones that sustain us, and then that comes from the heart, mind, and paces the football inside the pitch. I'm happy for the boys. I'm happy we are very ambitious. I'm happy we build a strong family because we are a very strong family where even the ones that are outside, they feel that spirit. We depend on all of them. We trust the board, the club, and most of all, we have a wonderful football players that was built by our sporting director, Mr. Fleming, with support of the club president, chairman, of course. So let's keep making everyone proud. The head coach also spoke about Lucas Ribeiro and named him as a clear candidate for the Premier Soccer League Footballer of the Season award. He said he will probably be elected Player of the Season. With the stats he has, the numbers he has this season is amazing on goals and assists and quality action. I think he's a player that brings something different to the pitch. I'm happy to have him, and him on the bench was literally a question of managing his minutes. And I think now that people are choosing player of the season makes him want to show something he doesn't need to show. He's shown already a lot of times that will come naturally, his form returning for sure. He further said if we see the goals he scored, the beautiful goals he scored, the moments he's carried the team forward, it's a team that promotes a player, but also Lucas had moments where he helped the team a lot. For me, he is the favorite candidate. I don't see anyone expressing the level as Lucas did for so long and even in the previous year. It's important to say we relate to this season, but he's been consistent in the last years, and he's expressed things very difficult to see. That has to do with the work of the team, but also due to his own capacity. I will be very happy if he wins it because it's completely fair if he becomes the player of the season. Costa has scored 32 goals with 20 assists in 81 games across all competitions since joining Sundowns from Belgian club SK Beveren in July 2023. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.